This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, today we will discuss about rule availability. Okay, class inheritance. Okay, application inheritance. Okay, rule authorization. Okay, rule resolution algorithm. Application validation. Okay, rule set validation. Okay, these are the things we will discuss today. All are okay, again. These are all also very basic things. Okay, these all these things also like very basic things. Interview point of view, people will ask you. Okay, interview point of view, people will ask you. Okay, what are the different okay rule availabilities are available? What is the use of class inheritance? What is the use of class application inheritance? And how application inheritance will work? How class inheritance will work? How rule availability will work? Could you please explain about a rule resolution algorithm? What is the difference between application validation and rule set validation? Like that, people will ask you. See, like that, people will ask you. Okay, so one by one, we'll discuss. Sir, what is the use of rule availability? The rule availability will define whether whether we can use the rule or not at the runtime. It will define whether we can use the rule or not at the runtime. Sir, how it will identify whether we can use the rule or not at the runtime? How it will identify? On what basis? Okay, what basis? We'll discuss. Okay, types of rule availabilities. There are okay different types of rule availabilities are available. Rule availabilities. Okay, rule availabilities. Different types of rule availabilities are available. One is the available. Next one is not available. Next one is final. All are basics and all these things are basics only. Withdrawn and blocked. These are the different types of rule availabilities are available. Sir, any rule in Pega, any rule in Pega, okay, whatever rules up to now you created, any rules in Pega, now open any rule, whatever you are creating, by default, the availability of the rule is available only. You can open any rule, not only section. Any rule, open this one. I will open one by one category rule. Just you can open those rules. By default, all the rules are available. At the runtime, those rules are calling. Those rules are calling. See, those rules are calling. When you are processing the case at the time, automatically these rules are calling. Okay, these rules are calling. Now you can observe here any rule. Okay, you can open any rule. Okay, now I'm going to open a database, or else I'm going to open field value, or else any rule. The whatever rules contains a rule set and rule set version. You can open property. Okay, you can open a property or data transform any rule. When you are creating any rule in Pega, by default the availability is available here. The availability is available, not available, blocked, final, and withdrawn. Final and withdrawn. So rule availability is available only. By default, when you are going to create any rule in Pega, by default, availability is available. Then, sir, then when we can change the availability to not available, blocked, withdrawn, and final? When we can change? Sir, when we can change the availability to not available, okay, available, final, withdrawn. Even interview point of view also, people will ask you, what are the different types of rule availabilities are available? Could you please explain one by one? Okay, remember, okay, clearly, please, okay, try to understand the definition. After that, you can tell me any role when you are going to create a role, any role by default, availability is available only. If rule availability is available, that rule is available to current rule set and rule set version. That rule is available to current rule set and rule set version. Okay, example. Now here you can see, sir, set customer details. Okay, this is the one section. Okay, section or else some data transform I created. Okay, what is the rule set I created? 01 hyphen 01 hyphen 01 01 hyphen 01 hyphen 01 hyphen and 01 hyphen 01 hyphen 01 02 03. This one 01 hyphen 01 hyphen 04. Okay, sorry. You can student available, not available, final and withdrawn. Okay, sir, what we will do is just like a simple understanding purpose. I will give one small example. Our personal life example I will give. Personal life example I will give. Sir, your relative one. Your relative, okay, your relative. 1 month before he invited. Okay, he invited for some family function. His son marriage or else daughter marriage. He invited. Okay, sir, to your entire family. 1 month before he invited, okay, his son marries. Okay, now think that at that time your father told that yes, we are available, we are ready to attend. In general, who will attend? Come on, who will attend? In our entire family, who will attend it? Whoever is
Whoever is
Yes.
available.
whoever is available, okay, that person, okay, will attend. Okay, well, see, for example, you are available, your brother is available, your parents is available. Are you going to attend? Are you going to attend? You or your brother? No, right? Your father and mother. High priority is first your father and mother. Agree? Everyone? Come on. Sir, you are available, you available, your father is available, your mother is available, your son, okay, your okay, daughter also available. It means your brother also available. At that time, who will attend the marriage? Your father. In general, your father. Okay, similar here. If rule availability is available, okay, how it will behave? Sir, now this is the data transform as per the new requirement. I added something. Okay, availability is 01, availability is 0. Okay, availability also available, availability also available, availability also available. Sir, now same rule is available in the different versions. All the versions availability is available. Sir, now tell me which rule it will call at the runtime. Come on, which
Late,
rule?
latest source.
Latest version. Sir, this rule also, you are also available to attend the marriage. Your sister also available to attend the marriage. Your cousin, not cousin, your father and mother also available to attend the marriage. Who will go? Who will go? Your father only, right? Come on, your father only.
Yes.
Okay, same similar way. Sir, okay, see, all the rules are available. Pega always it will pick the higher version rule. Pega always it will pick the higher version rule. Available by default. By default, availability is available. Pega always it will pick the higher version rule. No point to discuss more about this one. Okay. Now this one. Okay, if rule availability is not available, sir, which rule? Okay, that rule is not available to current rule set and current rule set version. Okay, sir. Now tell me, your father is not available. Now, who will attend the marriage? Come on,
Mother. Mother.
mother. Okay, mother will attend the meeting. Even she also not available. Who will attend the marriage?
We will.
Brother or
Others.
his cousin, sorry, sister. See, now if a rule is, see, for example, now we can think that now I'm going to change the availability to not available at a 0.04 version. Which rule it will call at the runtime? Ah,
Zero
Zero
three.
three.
03.
03. Okay, everyone. Okay, it will call next lower version, next lower rule set version rule at the runtime. Agree, everyone? Next lower version related rule, okay, it will call next rules the lower rule set version rule at the runtime. If this rule is not available, for example, if I'm going to change not available, okay, not available here, automatically it will call it. Sir, why we will change the availability to not available? I will discuss first definitions, after that why when we will change this one we will discuss. Okay, sir, if rule availability is not available, okay, at that time, sir, automatically it will consider the next higher version rule set rule. Okay, sir. Okay, fine. Okay, now you can observe one. There is just some fight in between your family and whoever is invited. You decided, okay, no, I don't want to attend the marriage. Is it possible to change your decision? Come on. There
No.
is some big fight in between two families. No, right? See, now you will tell that, no, this is my final decision. I cannot change. I will not attend. I will not attend. Okay, similar way here also. Okay, similar way here also. Final. If rule availability is final. Okay, we cannot override or we cannot change. We cannot override or change the final rules. Sir, once we declared any rule as a final means final, at that time we cannot touch that rule, and if you want to use, you can use, that's it. Okay, with the same name we cannot modify that rule. We cannot modify that rule. Sir, is it possible to save as into some different name and change that logic? Is it possible or not? Two different name.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Interview point of view, they will ask you: is it possible to override or change the final rules? Whatever rules you are declaring, no, we cannot change. Is it possible to save as into some different name? Yes, we can see. If you want to do the changes as per your business logic, at that time we will save as into some different name, and then we can do the changes, and then we will change the availability to available, and then we will do the changes. Okay, this is also common online. Okay, people will ask you. Next one is, sir, what about withdrawn? Sir, withdrawn. Okay, now we can again you can recollect withdrawn. Sir, this rule is that rule is not available to see, not available to current rule set and rule set version and lower versions of current rule set version. Sir, now you can think that, okay, you can think, sir, your friend family invited marriage 1 month before. At that time, you don't have any commitments. Like you gave the commitment, okay, we will attend the marriage. We will attend your son marriage or else your daughter marriage. Like that, you people gave the commitment. Okay, at the time, at the time of invitation, at that time, you don't have any commitments. That's why you told that yes, we will attend. Okay. Sir, suddenly in your family itself, in your family itself, there is some function, the same time, same day. At that time, are you going to attend your friend family function marriage? Come on, are you going to attend?
No.
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 Previously, you only give the commitment. Yes, I am ready to attend. Unfortunately, due to some other reasons, now you are not available. Okay, at least my father is not available. Is it possible to send to my mother? Are you going to send? Come on. Oh, at least, okay, not father, not mother. Okay, at least we will send to brother. Are you going to send our brother? Are you going to send you? Are you ready to go?
No.
No. Okay, what about your relative and your relatives? Whether they will go?
No.
No, they will go, right? One person, they will come to your family, your function. One person, they will go with some other, okay, other function. Like that, they will divide or not? Come on. Same, see, they invited your relatives and then they invited to you also. At that time, only your family only will stop. What about your relatives' families? Whether they will stop? No, right? One person will come, will attend our marriage. One person from his same family, he will attend, okay, your friend marriage also. Agree? Like that we will do, right? In general.
Yes, Arjun.
మనం అంతే చేస్తాం కదబ్బా in case. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, same
Yes,
thing, same
Arjun.
thing I'm
Yes,
explaining.
yes.
Same thing I'm trying to explain. Here now, what do you mean? Sir, if rule, sir, why we will withdraw? That one I will discuss. Now you got the concept. Oh, if rule availability is withdrawn, that rule is not available to current rule set and current rule set version and lower versions of current rule set version. If I'm going to withdraw, current rule is available up to 04. I want to withdraw the rule. I withdraw the rule. Or say I want to withdraw this rule. Now I save as it this one into new version. I save as it. Now I asked, okay, now I asked money, could you please withdraw this rule? Okay, up to 4 locked. Okay, what I will do, I'm going to save as this one into next higher version and then I will withdraw. In the 05 version, I will withdraw. Sir, now you can tell me whether it, okay, what rule it will call? Come on. Sir, what version rule it will call at the runtime as per definition? Please observe and then you can tell me.
04.
Sir, again here, Jude bro, that rule is not available to current rule set version and lower versions of current rule set version. Just now you people told that, bro. Okay, I will not attend.
No,
My
no.
sister also will not attend. My brother also will not attend. My okay, mother and father also will not attend. Like that, you people told because of your family function, the same time and same day. Just now you people only told. Now tell me what rule it will call at the runtime. Now I withdrawn in the 04 version. What rule it will call? Okay, definition also please observe and then
O,
it will.
05, 05.
Oh my God, sir. Just now say okay. For example, you are not available.
from its
You,
parent.
sir, first see this rule is available only in this class level and sir in this class level and in these versions. In these versions. From where it will call? Nothing. It will not call any rule. Definition is that one only, right? That rule is not available to current rule set and rule, okay, current rule set version and lower versions of current rule set versions also. Okay, it will not call from any version and if you are going to withdraw.
Okay, sir, like if like 04 is withdrawn, then this one will not, the lower version like 01, 02 and 03, that will definitely will not call, but the higher version, that will also, we will not able to call that one, right?
No, 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 I told that this one I save as it this one and I save as it into 05 version and then I change the availability to withdraw. At that time, okay, it will not call from 05, it will not call from 04, it will not call from
Okay, okay.
03, it will not call from 04, it will not call from 05. Okay, now
Okay.
everyone is clear?
Okay, sir, but if 04 is withdrawn, okay, then that time 01, 02, 03, we can't call this one, but can we call then 05, like 05 version?
Where you withdraw the rule?
04.
If you withdraw this one, again you want the same rule. At that time, you can save as that rule into higher version and change the availability to not available availability from withdrawn to available.
Available.
Like that you need to do. Okay, now?
Okay.
Okay, so for
Okay.
example, there is some rule to be withdrawn. Sir, now I asked you to, okay, be change this rule availability to available. At that time, what it will do? You will save as this one into 05 version and then you can update to now available. Automatically, it will call from here. Okay, na? But our concept is now if I withdraw this one in a 05 version, it will not call from anywhere. Okay, everyone?
Yes.
Everyone is clear? Okay. Okay. Sir, okay, here, okay, next one is blocked. What about blocked, bro? Again, I will tell you. Sir, same surname. For example, your family or else some different, okay, your relatives also same surname. Sir, someone invited 1 month back. At that time all are available, your relatives are available and we are also available. Suddenly, due to some reasons, some old age people expired in our family itself. In our family itself, someone expired. Okay, now you can think and tell me whether someone, okay, from your family members or else your relative, same surname people from other family or your family will attend.
No.
No.
That means everyone is blocked due to, come on, everyone is blocked due to someone expired. And the previous example, due to, okay, why you are not available to attend the marriage? Due to your family function, you are not available. Sir, now what is the difference here? Interview point of view, people will ask you, what is the difference between, okay, availability equal to withdrawn and blocked. Availability equal to withdrawn and blocked. Okay, here you can observe. Sir, okay, this rule, that rule is not available to current rule set version. Okay, I will write like the current rule set version and lower versions of current rule set versions and inherited means relatives, inherited classes, inherited classes. Okay, rules inherited classes rule set versions also. Sir, inherited classes rule set versions also. Sir, now you can see here, for example, same rule. Okay, there is inherited classes means these so many classes. And okay, what are the so many classes means? What are the so many classes? These are
BC,
the
BC Bank, BC Card, BC Loan.
these are the classes. Okay, and everyone, come on, everyone is clear. Sir, what is my record? For example, by mistakenly, okay, this rule is available in this class level. Okay, this class level also this rule is available. Now you can think and tell me, sir, if I block this rule, it will check here in say where it will check in the current class, in current class, current class. Sir, what about here? Current class and inherited classes. In current classes, current class and inherited classes also. Sir, now you can observe here. Sir, if here, if this rule is available, okay, here also it will block. Now we can think, for example, if I'm going to withdraw in a 05 version, 05 version, I blocked in a 05 version. Okay, whatever rule is available in this class, I block, not blocked, withdrawn. Just we can think that withdrawn. I withdrawn in a 04 version, 05 version. Which rule it will call at the runtime?
04.
No
You have
one.
withdrawn.
If it is withdrawn,
What?
then it will not call.
No, no, just now I told, bro. Again, see, if I withdraw rule from 05 version, it will not call from any version. It will not call from any version. It will check in this current class. Current class, whatever versions are available, it will not call any variant, anywhere. Okay. Sir, for example, in case same rule is available in my parent class, one of the version, I withdrawn in this level, what rule it will call? It will call from your parent class. Means your relatives are attending a marriage, right? They are attending your family marriage and your friend family marriage. But it will not block in our parent classes in case same rule is available. But if you block in case same rule is available, it will block in case same rule is available in parent classes. It will block even in the parent class level also. Okay, Nandi, what is the difference between withdrawn and blocked, everyone? What is the difference between withdrawn and blocked? In interview point of view, you can explain, right? They will ask you, what is the difference between withdrawn and blocked? Sir, if rule availability is withdrawn, that rule is not available to current rule set version and lower versions of current rule set versions in the current class. Means it will check only in the current class level only, but blocked. Sorry, if rule availability is blocked, that rule is not available to current rule set version and lower versions of current rule set version. In case same rule is available in inherited classes, it will block even inherited classes also. But if you withdraw the rule, in case same rule is available in inherited classes, it will call from inherited classes, means your parent class. Okay, practically I will show you. Still, if you have a question, I will show you practically. Then the doubt also it will clear. Okay.
Sir, for block means it will go up to application layer from BC direct.
Exactly.
All
Up to all the layers.
right, right, sir.
Okay, I will show you practically also. Okay, now we can observe one day. Sir, but okay, high level I will see in case simple single line sentence if you want to tell in interview point of view. Sir, Withdrawn, sir, Withdrawn will check check in current class level. Means it will block only okay current class rule set versions. What about bro? Blocked? Come on. Blocked will check
Will
in
checking
current
current
class and inherited
and
parent classes. I will write parent classes. Means it will block only in the current class version. So it will block iదండి. Okay, what is the difference? Sir, now we will discuss. Sir, when we can change the availability to available, blocked, withdrawn, and not available. Not available. Okay, when we can change. Scenarios I will tell you. In a real time point of view, when we will update rule availability to not available and blocked, withdrawn like that, when we will update, I will tell you. I will explain. Sir, now we can observe one day. Okay, everyone. Okay, please observe. For example, and okay, one testing point of view, I will tell you. Sir, now, okay, I gave one requirement to Akash. Okay, he done some changes in the 04 version. As per his story, everything is working as expected. He checked in and he moved into other environment. Now, same role as per Chaitanya requirement, Chaitanya also did some changes in the 06 version. Okay, as per his story. This is the use case one and he checked in. Sir, when Akash is checking, what happened? Why my requirement is not working? Immediately, who modified this version? Okay, who modified? Oh, Chaitanya modified. Okay, Chaitanya, because of your changes, my changes, whatever I implemented in the 04 version, it's not working. Immediately, he will also reply, hey, no, I didn't touch anything. As per my story, I done the changes. No, do one thing. I will do one thing. I'm going to change the availability to not available in a not available in a 04 version. Okay, 05 06 version, and then see. Okay, automatically it will pick my rule. Automatically it will pick my rule. Now see my whether my rules are my functionality is working or not. Like that, okay, we can prove right sometimes. And hello, everyone, for testing purpose.
Yes, sir.
Okay, second scenario, bro. Sir, second scenario, especially in a production point of view. Especially in a production point of view. Sir, today we deployed 0, 20 version changes. 20 version changes. Sir, because of some rules, okay, it is blocking entire old major functionality. So you identified, because of these three rules, it is blocking entire functionality. So many major functionalities. But it will take a time to fix. What you will do, bro? Now 20 versions, so many rules are available. So many rules are available. Now, okay, because of two rules, it is blocking so many major functionalities. So many major functionalities in the production environment. What you will do? For time being, what we will do now? Ah, sir, we will open those two rules and then we will make, okay, we will update those two rules to not available. Agree? This is also valid scenario, right?
Yes.
Okay. Third scenario. Third scenario. Sir, maybe in the coming classes, I will explain about production rule set. Sometimes we will save as the rules into production rule set and then we will do the testing. Sir, if you don't want to pick the rule from production rule set also, at the time, what we will do, we will change the availability to not available. Automatically, it will pick from proper version. Agree? Third scenario. Everyone? Okay. Sir, when we can change the rule availability to not available, now you are clear. Next month, sir, what about final? No issues, and we will not, you will not declare, for example, some framework level, some high level, if you create some function or else some rule, you don't want to touch anyone, at that time we will change the availability to final. Okay.
Means,
That
sir,
one is
the example for final, it may be like a high level BC. If we create any rule like directive we want,
no, no,
don't want
no,
to touch, we can.
don't think like that, sir. Whatever rules you are going to create in framework, sir, BC level, all the rules we will modify. No, in the future, maybe we will change also, right? Think like that.
Yes, yes, yes,
We
sir.
will change,
Yeah.
like not like every rule. For example, you can like see 2 days back we created one rule, right? Or not created, we used add message to the property or any Pega OOTB functions. You can see like a final. Like that, for example, I written some Java source code, bro. Okay, in activity. Okay, to do something, to extract PDF data or to create some zip. I created some Java code I written in activity. I don't want to touch this one. Okay, this is the one complex requirement. I don't want to touch anyone to modify. Then I can change, right?
But
Bro? Even in your
right,
current class also. Like that you can think. Okay, final. Okay, if you declare that one, we cannot touch that one. Okay, second, third one. Okay, withdrawn. Same thing I told 1 month before, your family member, your relatives, okay, invited. Okay, invited. Okay, sir, at that time you are available, you told the commitment. Even here also in our real-time projects also, sir, initially as per the requirement, we will create some reports, we will create some of the functionalities we will implement. We will move into the production and business people are using. After that, suddenly after 2 months, 3 months, they will tell that, hey, I don't want this report. I don't want to show this report. Hey, could you please, I don't want this functionality also. At that time, are you okay? They told. Again, what we will do? Are you going to delete those rules? Come on. Are you going to see? Suddenly now they don't want one of the functionality. At that time, that functionality related rules, what you will do? Are you going to delete? Sir, once you
No.
logged and you moved into the production, you cannot delete and remember that one, that point. Locked, once you locked, you cannot delete. Okay, once you locked, you cannot delete those rules. What we are going to do now? Sir, you cannot delete, or then what you will do? That functionality related rules, we will identify any reports or rules, we will save as into higher version and then we will change the availability to not available. Okay, na everyone? Hello? Why we will change? For example, by mistakenly you created one property. Now we will show you one of the property. Previously we people discussed. Hey, by mistake, I created one property, text property. I moved into the production. Now, as per the new requirement, they asked us to change to integer. Now we can withdraw that property and then you can create one more new property with the same name. Agree, everyone? Any functionality related properties also. Clear? Why we will change the availability to withdrawn? Okay, whenever someone is going to ask you to withdraw the rule, even and not only that purpose, bro. Now I observed, I reviewed the code. By mistakenly, I didn't review. Birth created so many rules. Okay, but he forgot to delete 3 to 4 rules. He didn't refer anywhere, but by mistakenly, those rules moved into production environment. Okay, later I identified, by mistakenly we moved these 4 rules. By mistakenly, these 4 rules we moved into the production. Why we moved unnecessarily? Okay, we are not referring anywhere also. What are you going to unlock and delete? Come on, are you going to unlock and delete from every environment? That type of things we will not do. And what we will do? Okay, next I will tell to Bharat, these are the 4 rules unnecessarily we moved into the production. Could you please withdraw? into the some specific version and let me know. I will deploy into SAT, UAT, pre-prod and production like that. Yes, this is also one of the use case or not? Agree? Come on, agree. Now
Yes, sir.
clear everyone? Okay, why we will withdraw? Okay. Sir, what about blocked, bro? Sir, completely, bro. Some rules are available in my parent class, some rules are available in my current class. You want to block in your only in your current class, then you can withdraw. Hey, I want to block even current parent class also, even I don't want to call from parent class, then we will you will block that rule.
Block.
Block. In case if you want to block from even parent class also, at that time what we will do? We will block and okay, agree this point also. Okay, sir, now clear and people will ask you, I'm telling that people will ask you in interview point of view, could you please tell me how you are going to withdraw the role? Sir, I will, whatever locked version role, I will save as into higher version and then I will do the withdraw. Okay, I will explain practically, don't worry. Okay, after this theoretical explanation. Sir, whatever role okay, I want to block, I will save as into higher version and then I will change the availability to block like that you can say. Okay, any questions about rule availability? Come on, any questions about rule availability theoretically?
No, sir.
Okay. So now class inheritance.
Sir, in that withdrawn one, can you go to that one withdraw?
Mm,
So, like my question was like, if I make O1, O1, O4 as a withdraw,
mm.
okay, like we have like these five versions for state customer details, okay. I made O4 as a withdraw, so the previous lower versions I can't use. But what about O1, O1, O5? Can I use that one?
Yes, it will, you can use. Why you
Okay.
withdraw? Okay, for example, this rule is available up to this version. Why you are withdrawing in 04 version?
Oh, okay. So higher only I have to withdraw.
Higher version only we will withdraw. See, for
Fine.
example, this rule is available up to 05 version. Okay, this functionality we don't want. I don't want to call this rule. At that time, what I will do?
Okay, that time I will withdraw higher only, like
Higher,
if I want
because
to.
this one is locked, right? You cannot unlock and then you cannot withdraw, right? Are you going to unlock
Hmm.
once we move? No. What we will do? We will save as into open version 06 version and then I will withdraw.
Fine, fine, fine. I got it.
Okay.
And sir, one more thing, like if I have like one like same, I have one like three versions, O4,
Mm.
O3, and O2. So O4 is not available. If O4 is not available, O3 is withdrawn, and O2 is available. Then that time what happen? Like O4 is not available, O3 is withdrawn,
Uh,
and O2 is available.
it will not call any rule.
Because O3 is
You
withdrawn,
want to withdraw with
so
one. Yes.
lower version.
Yes. Yes.
Fine, fine, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Next one. And sir, next one is the class inheritance. Sir, what is the use of class inheritance? First, I will write okay definition. After that, we'll discuss. Class inheritance is a nothing but calling a rules, a simple language, calling a rules from parent class to child class. Okay, this one also remember before going to discuss about this one. Okay, first one. Okay, I will tell you, sir, you and your father, you are earning. Okay, with the job you are earning something, and then your father also earning something. As per government rules, whatever your father is going to earn, those things you are eligible to use those properties, right? Whatever your father is going to earn is earning, whatever your father is earning, you are eligible to use those property. Agree? Land or else house, as per government rules.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir, similar opposite way, whatever you are earning like a property or house, whether your parents are eligible to use those things as per government policy.
No.
No.
They don't have any right. Okay, they don't have any right. Okay, fine. Sir, next one here. Okay, this one only. And parent class. Sir, now whatever rules are available in the parent class, is it possible to call those rules into child class? Come on.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Possible. So now whatever rules are available in okay, whatever rules are available. Sir, whatever rules are available in child class, is it possible to call those rules into parent class?
No.
No.
Okay, this
For
is the
sure.
basic funda, and please remember this is the basic funda. Class inheritance, how it will work. Oh, from parent classes, we can call the rules into the child classes. From child classes, we cannot call the rules into the parent classes. This is the basic funda. Please remember. Many people will try to call. So I'm getting that error. Okay, could you please help me? Like that, your team leader, your team member will. Okay, people will ask at that time. Think that from where to where you are calling. Okay, sir, here what people will ask you in an interview point of view, types of class inheritances. Sir, there are two types of class inheritance are available in Pega. One is the pattern inheritance. Sir, there are two types of inheritance are available in Pega. One is the pattern inheritance, other one is the direct inheritance. This one also simplified. First, I will tell you what are the questions they will ask you. Hey, do you have any idea about class inheritance? Yes, I have idea about class inheritance. Could you please explain how class inheritance will work? What are the different types of inheritance are available? How pattern inheritance will work? How direct inheritance will work? Pega, which inheritance by default it will follow? Pega, which inheritance by default it will follow? Like that, people will ask you where you are going to specify this class inheritance, what class level you will specify this class level class inheritance. Like that, people will ask you. These are the possible questions they will ask you. And okay, sir, now we will discuss, before going to discuss about pattern inheritance and direct inheritance, actual genuine thing. For example, and okay, now I want to go, okay, I want to watch one movie. Today one movie released, now I want to go. At that time, I have money, sufficient money. Okay, I have sufficient money. Okay, my father also, he is having sufficient money. My mother also, she is having sufficient money. And my sister and my brother also, they have also sufficient money. Okay, sir, now I have sufficient money to go movie. Now you can think and tell me best point of view. Okay, whether I will ask my brother and sister, whether I will ask my father and mother. Think.
No.
No. Most what we will do, bro. See, first what we will do, for you have money, sufficient money. Your father, your mother, your sister, your brother also, they have also sufficient money. Whether you will ask them? No, you will not ask. You will not ask. Directly, you will go with your own money, with your own money. Okay, for example, sir, you don't have sufficient money, or else you don't have money. You don't have money. At that time, what we will do, bro? Whom you will ask first one? Are you going to ask your father? Are you going to ask your mother? Come on. Whom you are going to ask? Your brother is available and your sister also available.
Brother. First of all, we will ask brother and sister. If
Brother and
they
sister. Okay. First we will ask brother or sister. After that, if not available, means you are following some inheritance path, right, bro? First, you are checking whether you have a money or not. If you have a money, then you are going with your own money. If you don't have, then you are checking with your sister. If sister, she is having a money, you are taking the amount from your sister. Even your sister also don't have money, sufficient money. At that time, we will ask, okay, your brother. Even your brother also don't have. Then we will ask your mother. Finally, we will ask father. This is the inheritance path you are following. Okay, even all these people don't have. At that time, from where we will check? Where we will check, bro? Friends, right? Friends. And finally, we will check. Even now you want to buy something. Okay, movie means less amount only. You want to buy something, some clothes you want to buy. Okay, 5,000, 10,000, like that. Sir, at that time, okay, you don't have money, your friends also don't have money. At that time, what we will do? We will use the credit cards. We will use credit card. We will take a loan. Like that, we will do, right? Come on. These are the okay, OTV one or not? Come on. your credit card,
Yeah.
your okay, loan, RL, OTB ones, right? Finally, we will check those things. Okay, same and same this class inheritance also, how it will work. Sir, how this class inheritance will work is, okay, please remember, same thing you can explain in interview one day. Okay, how this class, I will write in a notepad also. Okay, I will write in a notepad also. Sir, now, sir, but example purpose, I'm telling, okay, framework level class. Okay, framework class, nowadays we will not specify, right? Work cover, work class, and at the rate base class. Sir, now at the rate base class. Okay, these are the your credit card and your credit card, your bank loans, and you can think like that. Sir, this is in case if you don't have framework, we will specify our classes, our implementation class only. BCI fun. In case if you don't have, we will specify our implementation class related uh, class only. Sir, now you people can explain like that. Sir, when you are going to run the case type, first it will check whether rules are available. Okay, when you are running a case type, okay, at that time it will process your case. You can see the UI. You can see the UI. You can see when you are clicking on a button, it is calling some rule and then it is displaying the data. When you are checking the checkbox, you are getting some data. At that time, it will check in this class level whether those rules are available or not. Oh, available, then it will call from here. If not available, it will check in this level. If not available, it will check in this level. If not available, it will check in this level. Oh, here it's available, then it will call from here. Okay, for example, there is some X rule is available in this class. There is okay, same is available in this class here also. Which rule it will call at the runtime? Same rule is available here and here. Which rule it will call at the runtime?
Home loan.
Home loan class only. Okay, now you can tell me, bro. Okay, one question I will ask you. First name equal to, okay, now I will update. Uh, okay, you can see like a show. Okay, I will update like that. Instead of data transform, show customer details is the section. Okay, show customer details is the section. Show customer details here, first name and last name I included. Last name and age. Okay, here now I included address and gender. In a UI, what are the details it will show? Come on. Come on. People
First
will ask you like that in a scenario point of view.
Name,
name,
last
last
name.
name, age.
Come on.
Only first name, last name.
First name, last name, age.
And why it will not display gender and address, bro?
It will show in inheritance.
Sir, already it identified here. It will not check in our parent classes, right? Agree? Agree, Andy?
Yes.
No.
Available.
Sir, it will is already available here. It will not check. Okay, it will display in a UI first name, last name, and age. Now practically I will show you. Okay. Sir, in case if this one is not available, sir, when it is loading show customer details, what details I can see in UI?
Address,
What
gender.
details? Address and gender. Okay, now see, everyone is clear how inheritance will work. Any questions? Basic kind. Any questions? Hello?
Sir,
No, sir.
superclass data transform check can be a good
That
example of
is the
pattern
different.
inheritance.
That one is a different Uzma. First, it will call parent class only, except because of that checkbox. The behavior is different. Data transform point of view. Okay, na? Correct,
Okay,
valid
okay,
point
sir.
you are asking. Okay, sir, but data transform point of, that's why immediately I changed my this one, set customer details to show customer details section, like that I highlighted. Otherwise, you people will get confusion because of that checkbox. First, it will call the parent class data transform. Data transform point of view, first it will call the parent classes, and then it will call the child class data transforms. Okay, na? Data transform point of view different because of that checkbox. Okay, na?
Okay, sir, yeah.
Sir, now, if I ask you, tell me which inheritance Pega by default it will follow. Pega, which inheritance by default first it will check. Like that, if I ask, now tell me what you are going to answer.
Pattern.
Pattern inheritance.
Pattern.
Pattern.
Okay, direct inheritance, what are the places it will check if they ask you?
Sir,
Work
page done
cover,
data.
work.
OTP.
Work dash work cover dash.
work at the rate base class like that. Okay. Now you okay? Could you please explain how pattern inheritance will work? If they ask you, how you are going to answer?
It checks level class by class, level by level, like
How you are how
parent.
you, explanation. Main thing is explanation. My class is okay. It is useful to you to explain how you need to explain to interviewer. Come on. How you will explain now?
First,
For example, if I ask you,
it will execute application layer rules. Then after work layer rules. Then after it will application. Then work. Then application.
good, bro. Fine. Sorry.
First
First,
we can say like from case type to like that we can concept.
exactly, bro. Exactly like that, sir.
Type to organization.
Sir, first it will check my case type. Okay, sir. How I will write in a notepad also. First it will check my case type class whether rules are available or not. If my rules are not available in case type class, immediately it will check my work classes. Even from work classes also, if rules are not available, immediately it will check with my division. Okay, my application class. Even application also not available, it will check with the division level, unit level class. Even division level class also not available, it will check with my okay division level class. Division level class also not available, it will check with basic class. Like that you can explain. Okay, how direct inheritance will work? Direct inheritance will check with a framework level class, or else whatever you are going to specify in a class group level or class level, it will check in that path only. Class group level or class level, you will specify the direct inheritance path. Whatever you are specifying in a class level, it will check in this class level. If not available, work cover, not available, work, or not available, okay, there is base classes, it will check like that. Okay, na everyone? I will write in a notepad and practically also I will show you. Then you will get some clear picture. Sir, okay, explanation I will write here. Interview point of view in case if you want to explain same way. Sir, I can explain. Okay, when you are running application, when we are okay, running the application, Pega, first it will check with okay pattern inheritance. Inheritance classes. Okay, it will check whether rules are available in pattern inheritance classes or not. If rules are available in a pattern inheritance classes, then it will call from pattern inheritance classes. Otherwise it will check with direct inheritance. Okay, if rules are available in a direct inheritance classes, then it will call from direct inheritance. Now you can tell me, bro, in case direct inheritance also not available, from where it will call? From where it
It will
will call?
not call. There is no rule.
It will throw the error, right, bro? No, if you are trying to call some unnecessary name, okay, even see, for example, here some ABCD I'm giving. What it will do? It will check all, right, in the runtime. At the runtime, it will check all places or not, bro? Come on.
Yes.
It will check all the places, right? It will check all the places whether rule is available or not. This rule is available or not, and then it will throw the error. Clear?
Yes.
It will check all the current path and all places. Oh, not available in a current inheritance path, not available. Okay, then it will throw the error. Okay, first we can explain like that. Oh no, I want. Could you please explain how pattern inheritance will work? Now we can say pattern inheritance. Now we can explain again. If they ask you, okay, pattern inheritance. First, it will check whether whether rules are available in a case type class or not. If rules are available in a case type class, then it will call from case type class. Otherwise, it will, sir, again, it will check with okay, work class. Oh, it will check with parent classes, right? That I'm writing parent classes. Okay, in the interview point of view, we can explain work class. Okay, unit, division, like that you can explain, right? Hello. And
Yes, sir.
organization, okay, organization, like that you,
Um,
you can explain. Okay, okay. Sorry, it will check with the direct pattern, okay, parent classes. If rules are available, in parent classes, then it will call from parent classes. Otherwise, it will check with okay, direct inheritance classes. In case if someone is going to ask you, hey, tell me, explain how pattern inheritance will work. Sir, pattern inheritance tense will check whether rules are available, okay, available in a framework level class. Now I'm giving a framework level. Sir, we are not specifying a framework level class. We are not specifying, right, a framework level class. Okay, bracket lo rasta. I'm going to write in a bracket. Whatever class name we are specifying in a class definition. Okay, now you are clear, right? Now, in case if they reversely, if they ask you, hey, you don't have framework, how it will check framework? At that time, you can say, sir, whatever class name you are specifying in a class definition, it will check that class level. Okay, if rules are available in a framework class, then it will call from framework level class. Otherwise, it will check with Pega OOTB classes. Okay, what are the classes? Work cover, work class, at the rate base classes, like that it will check. Okay, so like that it will check on Pega OOTB classes. But this is the way inheritance will work. Okay, so similar, same like pattern inheritance, direct inheritance also. What I will do is just like within the 2 minutes, 5 minutes sometime, practically I will show you how rule availability will work, how class inheritance will work. After that, remaining things we will discuss now. Sir, now
Sir,
see,
just a question here.
yes.
Sorry to interrupt. Sir, can we give a page definition class and as an example of direct inheritance, like we have created previously page list and there we have given page definition class. So that can be an example of direct inheritance.
Okay, that is also one example. Okay, you are saying that, bro. Okay, uh, page definition, it will check with, okay, she is telling that. Okay, I will tell you, I will open. Okay, any page property, and but we cannot say like that. But your understanding point of view, if you want to tell like that, you can say. But generally in a class level, we will specify. And what you are saying is it is not like a direct inheritance. Now see here, she is telling that, sir, first it will check in this class level. If not available, it will check in this class level. If not available, it will check with this class level, right, Uzma? You are telling. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, sir, in general, where we will do, and we will specify here. Okay, in a class definition, we will specify any direct inheritance. how you want to, okay, you want to work, or from where you need to check means here you can see the class inheritance, right? Okay, our case type classes always we are specifying here, and your okay class work group class we will specify okay work cover, or else your okay here come down work cover. Okay, in case if you have a different implementation, okay, implementation on top of the one more implementation, on top of the one more implementation, we can specify that implementation class. Sir, by default, what is
Okay.
the inheritance it is checking? What is the inheritance by default it is checking?
Pattern.
Pattern. Finally, what inheritance it is checking? Ah,
Direct.
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 direct inheritance. So now where we can say in a class in a class definition under general tab. Under general tab you can see. Okay. Sir, okay, what I will do is just like a practical, just for understanding purpose, what I will do is I will create a simple sections. Okay, 3 sections I will create. Okay, just like no need to practice, and these things no need to practice. Don't practice. I'm telling. Just theoretically, you can remember. Also try to understand the concept. Okay, now I'm creating what version? 01, 02 version. And I created one sample version.
Sir, sir,
Yes.
can you open work definition, work class definition?
Okay. Welcome to Pega CSA training. I will open. Okay. Sir, okay, welcome to CSA training. Now next one I will create same section 03 version. Welcome to Pega CWSSA training. Constellations training. I'm not creating a flow action. What I will do is I will, okay, I will not create a flow action. Just go there. I'm creating, okay, I'm not creating any flow action. I will try to use the existing flow action. I will do the private edit. After that, I will discard. I'm doing a private edit. Okay, after that, I will discard. Okay, again, why we want to create a separate flow action? I'm calling. Okay. Sir, now tell me, same rule is available in the 01, 02, 03, okay, 04. Now tell me which rule it will call at the runtime. Pega constellation, right?
Yeah, 04.
Sir, now Pega constellation rule it will call at the runtime. Now we can see here Pega constellation rule. Sir, now I can see the Pega constellation rule. Okay, now I'm going to change this one to not available. See, now I'm going to change this one to not available. Click on and discard. Okay, check in this rule. Okay, now you can refresh. Which rule it will call? Next lower version rule. Okay, when you are going to change the not available at that time, next lower version rule. Okay, na? Come on, it is calling 03 rule or not? Hello?
Instead of checking if we save, what happens, sir?
It will not work. It will not pick sometimes. That's why, okay, this one, when you are testing this type of things properly, it will not pick.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
For
sir.
that purpose, I'm checking. Okay. Next one is, okay, now it is called this one. Okay. Permanently, now I'm going to withdraw the role. Okay. Sir, now I'm going to withdraw the role. Okay, now I'm going to withdraw. Which rule it will call? Now same rule is available in 02, 03 and 04. Okay, now you can refresh this one. Whether it is calling any rule now?
No.
No, right?
No.
Sir, now it is blocking. Okay, for example, same rule now I'm calling in my parent class. Same rule now I'm creating. Sir, now I'm creating in a parent class. Same rule and sample section now I'm creating in a parent class. Okay, here now I'm updating here. Okay, welcome to Pega decisioning. Sir, Pega decisioning. Sir, now see, if in case if you withdraw the rule, if same rule is available in your parent classes, automatically it is calling from parent class. Agree? Hello? In case same rule is available in our parent class, now it is calling from parent class or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'm going to block this one. Okay, now I'm going to block this one. Okay, blocked. Okay, now whether it will call from anywhere.
No.
No.
Okay, sir, this is the way this rule availability will work. Okay, this is the way this rule availability will work. Same way, now see here, okay, previously we modified this section, right? Okay, we modified this section. Okay, now, okay, we modified this section. What I will do, just like example purpose, I'm going to unlock this one and delete. I will delete this one. Okay, now I will delete this one. Now you know how, okay, this, okay, I'm going to previously, okay, I think previous class we discussed it, right? Okay, this one, how I save as well this one. Sir, now see here, this case detail section, okay, now come here. Sir, now from where it is calling now, this one, this section, come on. Now I'm going to click on live UI, click this one. From where it is calling under this case detail section. Hello?
Pega.
Theme
Pega,
question.
okay, Pega OOTB class. Sir, Pega OOTB class. Now you can tell me. Okay,
Base
Navra?
class.
This one only, right? We discussed. Okay. Hello? Whoever asked.
Yes.
Okay. Sir, now it is calling from our rules are not available in our case type class, parent classes, all classes. Automatically it is calling from here. Okay, now, okay, what I'm doing is I'm going to save as. I save as it into our class. And I save as it into our class. Okay, see this one. Restored. Again, same, okay, 1 minute. I save as, now I'm going to save as into parent class also. Even in a parent class also. Now I'm save asing this one into parent class also. Now you can see, okay, here I'm removing this one. Okay, I'm removing this one. Okay. Okay, one more important one. And sorry, okay, one more important one. Okay, I didn't check in. And now see, same rule is a very important one. Okay, observant. Sir, same rule is available in my BC-hyphen work bank-hyphen card, and the same rule is available in my child class. Same rule is available in my Pega OOTB class. Now, what I'm going to do is, okay, yes, even you can refresh also. You can refresh. Now I'm going to close R. From which class it will fetch that role. Now we will observe. So from which class it will fetch that role. Now open live UI. Okay, create one more new class. New. I didn't save. Huh? Sir, now we will check which rule it will call at the end. Oh, still.
We need to do check-in, sir.
No. I want to tell you something. Okay. I want to tell you something. That's why. Okay, fine. Okay. Sir, I will check in this rule. I will check in this rule. I want to tell you some different point why it is behaving. Okay, fine. Now we can observe one. Sir, same rule is available in your parent class, and even same rule is available in your child class also. Same rule is available in your parent class and child class and Pega OOTB class. Which from where it is calling now? From where it is calling? It is calling from
Parent class.
Version.
parent class. Parent class. No, not higher version. Parent class it is calling. Okay, now I'm going to remove this one. Now I'm going to remove this one. Sir, now I'm going to remove this one. Sir, now you can refresh from which, okay, now where it will call now? Sir, now from where it is calling now? Hello? Sir, now how your class inherit is working? Now clear, right? It is calling from, sorry, container. I opened a container. Sir, it is calling from, come on, your parent class. You were not available that class. Now it is calling from child here, parent class. Even parent class also. Now I'm going to, okay, now I'm going to click on submit. Okay, click on delete. Now see, just you can refresh this one. Now from where it will call? Sir, same rule is available in our child class, parent class, and Pega OOTB class. At that time, it is calling from your child class only. When I removed from child, it is calling from parent. From parent also, when I removed, it is calling from Pega OOTB class. Okay, na everyone? How class inheritance is working?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sir, how class inheritance is working? Okay, now I want to tell you one point. Okay, this one is a rule set hierarchy, and I will tell you. Okay, what I will do is now I check out this one, right? I'm going to do the private edit. I'm going to do the private edit. This one, work class one, and okay, just you can refresh, or else you can create a case, new case, and check. Okay, it is calling from here. Okay, fine. Okay, I want to tell you some small thing. Okay, here it is not okay working. Where is the sample one? I will discard now this one. I will open the sample one. What I will do is I block it, right? Now see here. Sir, now which rule it will call? Same rule is available. What are the different versions are available? If you, sir, here 04, 03, 02 versions, this rule is available. Okay, now see here. Now I'm going to, all our rules are available and 04 version also available. Okay, now I did the checkout. Go here and click on. Sir, which rule it is calling? I want to tell you this point. Which rule it is calling now?
02.
Why, bro? Generally, you need to call 04 version, right?
Due to checkout.
Because now you got that.
This is also one of the important point. Sometimes when you are debugging something, same rule is available in multiple versions. Same rule is available in multiple versions for testing purpose in between the rule. Right? One of the rule is available in 02, 03, 04, 05, 06, 010 up to 10. Okay, you for testing purpose, okay, you want to check something. At that time 05 rule need to call. At that time what you can do is just you can click on private edit, don't check in, just you can click on private edit and then you can test automatically your checkout rule, your private edit or your checkout rule, it will consider like a priority. So how that priority will work is, now you can open your operator okay profile, you can open your operator profile. Now see here how this inheritance will work out. Now see rule set inheritance also, rule set hierarchy also. Sir, rule set hierarchy also. First see Narasimha, is there any rule set like that? There is no rule set. There is no rule set like that. Okay, sir, whatever you are checkout, right? Whatever you are doing a private edit and whatever you are doing a checkout, all the rules it will show with your name, with your operator name. First preference is, come on, first preference is your checkout rules. Next preference is branch rules. Next one is your application rule set. After that, integration rule set. Same rule is available in this rule set and your BC rule set. Which rule it will call at the runtime? Your application rule set.
Application.
Application rule set.
Application rules.
Please, these one also basic and it will follow this hierarchy. Okay, these are the Pega OOTB. Whatever rule set starts with Pega, all are Pega. So many Pega OOTB rule sets are available. These many Pega OOTB rule sets are available. Okay, these many Pega OOTB rule sets are available. Okay, this is the way it will follow. Okay, this is the hierarchy it will follow. And everyone is clear? Okay. Sir, now I'm going to discard. This is the way your okay class inheritance and rule availability will work. Now I'm going to discard. Okay, this one is not required, right? We'll discuss again. These things also theoretical points only. Application inheritance. Sir, how application inheritance will work? Come on. Sir, this process and application inheritance is a nothing but calling a rules from. Okay. Always we will talk about framework application, right? I'm going to write like that. Framework application to implementation application. Agree? Implementation application. Okay. Now tell me. Sir, this is the framework application. Framework application. On top of this one, we created implementation application. Implementation application. On top of this one, we created one more implementation application. On top of this one, we created one more implementation application 3. Without you can consider without also. Okay na? Sir, now sir, application inheritance, how it will work? Sir, whatever rules are available in the framework application, is it possible to call those rules into the implementation application 1, implementation application 2, implementation application 3? Come on.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, is it possible to call? Okay, yes, sir, all applications are possible, right? Come on. Sir, whatever rules are available in this application, we can call in this application, in this application, in this application. Sir, whatever rules are available in this application, related rules, we can call in this application, Whatever rules are available in this application, we can call into in this application. Okay, this process we can call as a application inheritance. Sir, now you can think and tell me, is it possible to call whatever rules are available in this application to in these lower applications? Or whatever rules are available in this application or in this application, is it possible to call rules into lower applications,
No.
built-in applications? Not
No.
possible. Okay, this mistake also please don't do in our real-time projects. Okay, if you are not able to call means at that time you can check that hierarchy how it is. How you people implemented. Just you can open your built-in application and then you will get to know easily. Okay, na? This one also application inheritance. Everyone. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood.
Okay, this one application, right? Okay, rule authorization, bro. Okay, when I'm running application, I'm able to See, okay, now see, I'm creating a case. In a backend, so many rules it will call, right? So many rules it will call or not? Agree? How it is, bro? How you can say now I'm an okay one user. Okay, when I'm running a case, it is calling some rules. When someone okay, Anuja is creating a case. Anuja she is not able to run this case. Okay, she is not able to run this case type. How it is possible? So how you are getting access? First of all, you can ignore about some different person. How you are getting access? When you are running application, automatically whatever rules we created, automatically you are getting access. How you are getting access? For example, now I am logging to the application with Narasimha 1. Sir, now Narasimha 1, how? Okay. So Narasimha one, how he is able to access our application, whatever case type, okay, whatever case type we created, whatever functionalities we implemented in a home loan case type, how he is able to access all, how it is interlinking, how he is able to access our BC loan processing application. Now, okay, how is okay creating a case, how he is processing the case. Say how he is creating a case, how he is processing the case. Clear, everyone? This process we can call as a rule maybe, and tomorrow again coming classes we have a security concept separate. Okay, I think two classes I will discuss. What do you mean by authentication, what do you mean by authorization? Okay, what is the use of access group, access role of object privileges, okay, access deny, evac, rollback, these things we will discuss separate classes. Okay, sir, now we can observe how it is written. You are authorized to process the case or not, on what basis it is telling. Okay, now we can see here on what basis your rule authorization. Okay, rule authorization will define, okay, whether uh, user can user can access. See, you cannot access the rules, right, bro? You can access the functionalities or not, whatever functionalities we implemented. Yes or no, bro? User can, it will verify whether user can access the functionalities or not in a backend. But technically when you are saying shall I write like that, whether it will define whether user is authorized to use the rules or not at the runtime, like that. Is it fine if I write like that? But you can say, right, rules he will not, okay, he will not access, but functionalities he can access. It will, okay, rule authorization will define whether user is authorized to use those rules, or those rules, okay, whether user is authorized to use the rules or not at the runtime. Okay, sir, on what basis it will check whether it will define, it will check like that, it will check. Okay, so rule authorization will check whether user is authorized to use the rules or not at the runtime. Okay, see how, on what basis it will check whether it is authorized or not. Okay, sir, now I log into the application with whom? Sir, now I log into the application with Narsimha. Sir, Narasimha ID. Now operator ID. Narasimha is the operator ID. Now Narasimha is the operator ID. Okay. Oh, Narasimha, what access we provided? Narasimha to what access we provided? Sir, now Narasimha is pointing to this access group. Narasimha is pointing to this access group. Okay. Oh, this access, he is having these many portals. So these many access roles are available. Okay. Sir, now Narasimha access group is pointing to application. Sir, this application contains a list of rule sets. List of rule sets contains a list of rules. Whatever functionalities you implemented in these rules, automatically can access. Sir, how it is interlinking? Access group. Access group is pointing to, come on, application. Application is contains list of rule
Rules.
sets.
Rule set.
list of
Rules
rules.
and system.
This is the way it is checking whether you are authorized to use the rules or not. Okay, na? Everyone clear? Final one. Sorry, these thing also basic kind. This is also syntax. Okay, na? So rule authorization. So rule resolution algorithm. People will ask you, could you please explain how rule resolution algorithm? This one also basic one. Okay, they will ask you, could you please explain how rule resolution algorithm will work? How rule resolution algorithm will work? Okay, simple. Okay, I'm going to open one website. Okay, now I'm going to open one website. Now you can see here. Okay, just we can. Okay, now I'm going to open one website, bro. The Hindu website. Okay, now I open this website. Okay, now I open this website. Now come down. Sir, now I I clicked this link. Okay, or else I clicked this link. Okay, I went through this entire article. Okay, fine. Okay, entire article, fine. After that, I closed. Again, I clicked after some. Again, I clicked on same link, same article. Now you can think and tell me, when I click on this first time at the term from where it will fetch this content, and the second time when I'm going to click on same link at the term from where it will fetch that content. Guess.
First time it will fetch from web, second time from cache.
Sir, first time it will fetch from web server. Second time it will fetch from, come on,
Cache.
cache, right? Cache. Bro, is it possible to prove? No, right? That is a syntax, right? Agree? Hello, bro. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Correct only, right? That is a syntax only.
Hmm.
Okay, we will feel like that. Money. Okay, why? It will fetch the first time it will go to the server, and second time it will fetch that one from okay browser like that. Sir, same way when someone is going to ask you, could you please explain about rule resolution algorithm? Simple way you can explain. I'm going to write in a notepad. Same way you can explain 10 steps. 10 steps as it is you can explain. Easy way you can understand. I will tell you. I will write here notepad. Okay. Okay, now we can observe, bro. How sir, first of all, what is the use of rule resolution algorithm? Resolution algorithm will pick the best rule at the runtime. Sir, what it will do? It will pick the best rule at the runtime. It will pick the best rule at the runtime. Okay. Now you know what is the objective of this rule resolution algorithm. Okay, what is the objective of this rule resolution algorithm? Second point I will ask you. Okay, now you can think and tell me, bro. For example, same rule is available in a multiple versions. Which rule it is calling? Higher version
Yes,
rule.
yes. Hmm.
Means that is the best rule or not, bro? Come on, come on, tell
Yes,
me.
sir.
Uh, Same rule is available in a parent class and child class. Which rule it is calling at the runtime?
Child class.
Child class.
Oh, it is the best rule, right? Pega is identifying whether you are identifying. No, right? Pega itself, it is in the back end, it is executing one algorithm and then it is identifying. Array, need to call this rule is available here. They need to call from in this version, in this rule set. Now, previously, you only telling, bro, same rule is available in my application rule set and my organization rule set. Which rule it will call? Immediately you told, no, it will call from application rule set. How you are saying? That is the best rule you are saying, right? Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
When you are going to withdraw the role, automatically it is not calling those rules. So you don't want to call. Simply you specified whether Pega it is calling those rules at the runtime. No, right? No. Sir, even you withdraw the role, you block the role, whether Pega is calling. No, it is not calling. Sir, same rule is available in your Pega classes and your classes. Whether Pega is calling from where? Pega is calling from your classes. Not available, it is calling from, okay, Pega OTB classes. All this process and this entire process, okay, whether you are doing, Pega itself it is doing, right? Come on, whatever I explained. Come on, how Pega itself it is doing, right, in the back end. Sir, how Pega will identify means it will execute this rule resolution algorithm. Sir, how it will behave? how it will behave, okay, how it will execute. Okay, now I will explain. Two ways I will explain, bro. First way, same way you can explain in interview also. In case if someone is going to ask you, could you please explain, okay, how rule okay, resolution algorithm will work. Okay, same thing. When I open this website, you people only told me, bro, okay, if I click on this article, first it will check this one, after that it will check with some different one, like that you people are telling. Okay, same way. And now go here and I will explain here. I will write, see, easily you can understand each point, you people will understand easily. And okay, first point number one. Okay, point one. Sir, first one, okay, when you are running application, when we are running the application, Pega engine, you can say like Pega. I'm not writing like Pega engine, like Pega will check whether rules are available in rule cache. Sir, what you will say previously, browser cache, right, bro? Hello, browser cache you told. Okay, now we can say that what you are going to say in Pega point of view, rule cache. Sir, Pega will check whether rules are available in, okay, available in a rule cache or not. Okay, how inheritance it is working? All see combination of sir, combination of okay, rule availability, combination of okay, class inheritance, combination of application inheritance, combination of rule authorization is nothing but a rule resolution algorithm. Simple, we can say like that. Okay, when we are running application, Pega will check whether rules are available in a rule cache or not. Sir, step one, first one it will check. And step one, now we can write okay, step one, if rules are available in a rule cache, okay, then it will verify the rule availability. Is blocked or not. Okay, is blocked or not. Okay, remember, is blocked or not. Whatever rules are blocked, it will discard those rules and process the remaining rules. Oh, okay, finally 10 rules are available in rule cache, 2 rules are blocked. How many rules it will process next level, bro?
8
8.
rules.
Okay, 8 rules it will process. Okay, step number one, everyone is clear. Okay, if rules are available in rule cache, it will check the rule availability blocked or not. If whatever rules are blocked, it will discard those rules and then process the remaining rules. Okay, oh, these are the best rules. Next one, what Pega will do? Pega will check whether user is authorized to use the rules or not at the runtime. On what basis it will check whether a user is authorized to use the rules or not at the runtime? Based upon the access group, access roles, application rule sets contains rules, like that you can say. Whatever rules are not authorized, it will discard those rules and process the remaining rules process the remaining rules at the runtime. Idanti final at the runtime. Look at this one. So now here, out of 8 rules, okay, 8 rules, okay, 3 rules are blocked, 3 rules not authorized. How many rules it will process?
Five
Five,
rules.
five rules. Sir, now if you observe in real time point of view, or is working sometimes when you are process, you are not authorized to delete, okay, create like that, you will get some error because you have some privilege issue. You cannot, you don't have any option to modify, update, delete like that because of this one. Okay, clear? If rules are available in a rule cache, immediately you can explain these 2 points. And I will explain way of explanation also after completion of the this one. Okay, after that I will explain. Okay, sir, if rules are available in a, not available in a rule cache, okay, not if rules are available in a rule cache, fine. Sorry, step number one. Again, second way, step one. If rules are available in a rule cache, rule cache. Sir, if rules are available in not available, sir, not available in a rule cache, not available in a rule cache, not available in a rule cache, it will Pega will find Pega. I'm writing. Okay, Pega will find the list of matching rules. Okay, whatever rules are available, it will find the list of matching rules. After that, step number one completed. After that, what it will do? Step number two. Sir, now I got okay, 10 rules or 20 rules I got. Out of 20 rules, immediately what it will do is Pega will check. Pega will check whether rules are following application inheritance or not. Means application hierarchy. Whether rules are following application hierarchy or not. Whatever rules are not following, whatever rules are not following application hierarchy means application inheritance. Okay, whatever rules are not following application inheritance, it will discard those rules and process the remaining rules. Sir, same rule is available in your framework application and your implementation application. Which rule it will call? Come on, which rule it will call? Hello?
Implementation.
Implementation. Now it is a discarding, right, bro? It will discard or not? It will discard. Okay, after that, what it will do, bro? Oh, from implementation application. Now it came to implementation application. Pega will check whether rules, whether whatever rules are available in your implementation. Again, immediately Pega will check whether, okay, Pega will check the, okay, 1 minute. I will write, I updated here, right? Again, okay. I will say, I will write now onwards. Sir, Pega will check whether we can remove this one. Pega will verify and Pega will verify. Okay, now I'm going to write like that. Okay, Pega will verify rule availability is not available or not available and not available or not. Whatever rules are not available, whatever rules are not available, it is discarding those rules. Whatever rules are not available, it will discard those rules and then process the remaining rules. Again, next point also same thing. Step by step, it will check. Previously, Anuja asked one question, bro. First not available, after that withdrawn, after that available. How it will behave? Sir, same sequence, right? Whatever you told Anuja. Hello.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Now I'm writing like that. Now it will check line by line. Oh, okay, oh, not available. Okay, fine, it will discard. After that, withdrawn. Whatever rules are withdrawn. Whatever rules are withdrawn. Okay, whatever rules are withdrawn, it will discard those rules and process the remaining rules. Process the remaining rules. After that, what it will do? Step number one, step number four. Step number four. Okay, now step number four. After that, now it is discarded this role, discarded this role. After that, now again it will check the class inheritance, rule set hierarchy and circumstance. Okay, sir, now I will write here. Okay, this one, point number five. Point number five. Sir, class inheritance. It will check whether you, okay, rules are following the class inheritance, class inheritance and okay, not only one rule set hierarchy అంటే rule set inheritance. Shall I update like that? Inheritance easily if you can remember. And circumstance I will discuss. And circumstance, okay, there is a separate concept and separate rule type in Pega. We'll discuss that one. It will check like whether rules are following application inheritance. Rule set inheritance means rule set hierarchy, class hierarchy, circumstance or not. Okay, whatever rules are not following, same rule is available in our, okay, same rule is available in our parent class and child class. Which rule it is calling? Child class. Same rule is available, same name rule is available in your your application rule set and your organization rule set. Which rule it is calling? Your application rule set related rule it is calling at the runtime. Same thing only. Okay, it will discard and then it will process the remaining rules. Finally, step number 5 6, what it will do, Pega will place the remaining rules into rule cache. Sir, now finally it will place the rules into the rule cache. After that, what it will do again? Sir, now it will check. This is the one step it will follow. Means okay, I will write these 2 points again. Sir, once rules are available in the rule cache, again it will follow the same step. Step number 7. Step number 7, it will verify whether it is blocked or not. Again, I will remove this one. It's not required. Finally, it will place the best rule at the runtime. Sorry, if rules are not available in a rule cache, these are the steps it will follow. Okay, sir, interview point of view, how we will explain is, if someone is going to ask you, could you please explain about class inheritance? If someone is going to ask you, could you please explain about rule resolution algorithm, how it will work? Okay, immediately you can say that, sir, this rule resolution algorithm will pick the best rule at the runtime. How it will work is, when you are running an application, at that time Pega first it will check okay, whatever rules are calling, whether those rules are calling from rule cache or not. Whatever rules are available in a rule cache, immediately it will verify what is the availability, whether rule availability is blocked or not. Whatever rules are blocked, it will discard those rules and then it will process the remaining rules. Next, Pega what it will do is, it will check with okay, user authorization based upon the user access group related application related rule sets. It will check whatever rules are not authorized, it will discard those rules. So finally it will process the best rules. After that, okay, whatever rules are not available in the rule cache, first it will find the list of matching rules. After that, it will check with application inheritance. Whatever rules are not following application inheritance, it will discard those rules, process the remaining rules. After that, again it will check with okay, rule availability, not available or not. Whatever rules are not available, it will discard those rules, process the remaining rules. After that, again it will check with withdrawn. Whatever rules are not following a withdrawn, it will discard those rules and then process the remaining rules. Next one, it will check with the class inheritance, rule set hierarchy, and circumstance. Whatever rules are not following this process, it will discard those rules and process the remaining rules. After that, it will place all the rules into the rule cache. Next one, it will check rule availability is blocked or not. Whatever rules are blocked, it will discard and process the remaining rules. Next one, finally, it will check with whether user is authorized to use the rules or not. Whatever authorized rules, it will process at the runtime. Okay, this is the process in the backend. Pega will check to display best UI or best functionalities. And yes or no, when you are creating a case type, so many rules it will call, so many rules it will execute. All are best rules only, right? How Pega is identifying? So it is following this hierarchy. Everyone is clear now. You can explain very confidently also right now. Explanation, main thing is explanation, bro. Explanation. Please explain some proper way. Okay, sir, next one. It will not take that much of it, just like 10 minutes only, right? Within 10 minutes, I will complete this one also. This one also, people will see, these interviewer persons will ask like anything, bro. Okay, what about application validation and rule set validation? Okay, anyone? Do you have any idea of application validation and rule set validation? What validation you people are following in your current project? Anyone, money or someone, Visiva? Come on, tell me. Whatever you have idea. Sir, I didn't check also, sir, where these options are available.
Sir, in application validation, like the rules which are in the same application, or if there is any other application on which that application is built on, only that rules we can use in application validation.
See, simple sentence you told, bro. Application validation means, bro, built on application process, it will check. Like that you are saying, right? Single line. Yes or no, Anuja?
Yeah, yeah, yes, sir.
It will follow that hierarchy simple way. Okay, what is this one is, sir, in our current projects and all, this is the old and Pega 6 version, Pega 7 version, we will follow the rule set validation. Okay, now all we are building a built on applications, right? Built on applications. Okay, sir, how is the structure is, bro? Sir, now here you can see Pega rules. Okay, theme cosmos. After that, implementation application 1. Okay, implementation application 2. Okay, implementation application 3. Okay, now see here some rule sets, 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 here some rule sets will be available. Agree everyone? Hello? Sir,
Sir.
in this application also contains some rule sets, in this application also contains some rule sets, in this application also contains some rules. Okay, fine. How it will call? Sir, for example, now I am in this application, this application related rule sets related rules, it will call. I have a option to call the rules from this application related rule sets, this application related rule sets, this application related rule sets, this application related rule sets automatically if we follow this built-in application process. Agree everyone? Clear? Other end. Come on. Hello? Oh, Chapala.
Sir.
Sir,
Okay,
can you
if you
please
follow,
repeat again?
sir, if you develop your application, top of the application means built on applications. Built on application, whatever rule sets are available in this 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 application, in that rule sets contain some rules. Those rules you will call directly in this application related rule sets.
In
Ratna?
the latest application, we can call the lower, like,
Lower
uh,
application rule set version related rules.
yeah, okay.
Okay, na?
Okay,
Bro, for
sir.
example,
Okay, sir.
is it possible to call here? That is common. Okay, okay, application inheritance itself it is telling. Sir, for example, what about here? Here, what about rule set validation? Come on, Anuja. Now again, you can tell me. Any idea?
Sir, yeah, like in rule set validation, we have to define one prerequisite. So whatever rule present in that prerequisite, no, only that rules we can use in our application.
Uh,
In our
okay. I will tell you. I will show you. Sir, where do you need to specify? Sir, if you are selecting a rule set validation, if you are selecting a rule set validation, for example, simple abba. Okay. Sorry, even I followed the structure. You can think that there is some X rule set, bro. XX rule set. This here YY rule set. Sir, YY rule set. Okay. Here some Z rule set. Z rule set. Okay. Z rule set. Okay. Here also I will write, bro. Then easily you can understand. Okay. Sir, here in this rule set, no need to specify rule set hierarchy. Automatically, I can call from this rule set related rules, this rule sets related version related rules. Okay. If I follow the rule set hierarchy, if I follow this one, sir, where we can specify, I will show you. Okay, sir, in this rule set hierarchy, you need to specify. You need to even and Pega OTP one also. So you need to specify like that. Okay, I will show you where do you need to specify. Sir, okay, now, sir, for example, just you can think, bro. If I didn't specify here, okay, now I followed the rule set hierarchy. Okay, rule set validation. Is it possible to call whatever rules are available in this rule set, XX rule set into in this application rule set related rules? I didn't specify. I specified only X, Y, Y, Y only. Is it possible to call? Hello, Chapandi.
No, no.
No, sir.
Okay, now you are clear, right, bro? Everyone?
Yes.
Sir, how application rule set will work? Sir, how
The
application
latest
will how application will work? Sir, where we will specify now open any rule set by default, any rule set, and by default you can see the application validation. Okay, application validation. It will follow the hierarchy. Your built-on applications means this one, bro. Sir, now in this application related rules, in this built-on application related rules, okay, and in this built-on application related rule set versions related rules, we can call into your BC implementation application. Okay, your BC application, this application related rule. Sir, if you are selecting a rule set validation, specifically you need to specify here, bro. Okay, na? Specifically you need to specify. Okay, everyone is agree? Clear?
Sir.
Okay, theoretical ga ardhamainda? Okay, next point. Morning Ratna asked one question, bro, why we are not specifying here? This is also one of the interview point of view question. Please remember, just I will not take more than 5 minutes. Okay, I observe here. BCI fund loan 010101. Sir, mostly we will specify all in our applications, we will specify up to minor version only. Minor version only. We will not specify patch version. And in application stack, this is the application stack. We can say that in application stack, we will specify up to patch version only. Okay, now I will ask you one question. Why? Because, sir, if you are specifying up to minor version, automatically it will call whatever rules you are adding in a patch version level. 0101 means patch versions, all 0102 patch version, 0102 03 04 05 up to 99. How many versions you are maintaining a patch version, automatically it will call. Sir, if I specify like that, sir, now your BC loan patch version contains okay, 90 91 92, whether it will call at the runtime, come on, whether it will call at the runtime. Come on, sir, your BC loan, okay, 0, 11 also available, 12 also available, 13 also available, whether it will call at the runtime? Chappali.
No,
No,
sir,
no.
No, it will not call. Why?
Only up to 10
because
only
you
we have access.
specified.
You specified, you restricted. Your application, you restricted. Yes or no? Sir, you restricted it. Now, generally, we will not specify. And sorry, here, what is the question interview point of view people will ask you is, okay, I will tell you. For example, bro, okay, now we can think that today production release. Today, one production release. Okay, now I moved, okay, one of the BC loan. Okay, BC loan 75 version changes. Up to in a production, up to BC loan 74 version rules are available. Rules are available. Now I moved 75 version, bro. Because of latest changes, whatever changes are available in a 75 version, it is causing issues. Almost all our application itself is blocking. Okay, now you identified the root cause. Okay, in the 75 version contains so many rules. Like almost you people implemented 75 rules, 100 rules. Are you going to unlock and change the availability to not available like that? It will take a time taking process, right? Hello?
Yes,
For
sir.
time being, because of this 75 version, even existing functionalities also, it is breaking. Existing functionalities also, it is breaking. Now users, they are not able to use the existing functionalities itself because of your new changes. What we will do? How we will do now? Come on. Sir, it will take time to fix. Now what will do? Are you going to tell to users, say, please wait, man, it will take 8 hours of time to fix. Don't use the application like that. Are you going to say?
No.
Then what you will do? What you will do now?
We will delete the created new rules.
Are you going to delete like that blindly? Okay, 1000 rules are available. Are you going to delete, bro? Siva, you told solution correct only. See, I'm telling, bro, solutions different way. Okay, I will delete or else I will change the available. Immediately cross question they will ask, 1000 rules are available. Are you going to delete 1000 rules?
Oh,
How we
sir.
will deal it? But it
So
will
the
take a time taking
application
process, right?
stack,
Ah,
the application stack we can restrict with up to 74.
uh, please and okay, sir. Immediately this one. Okay, immediately what we will do? Sorry, we need to say that we will update application stack with patch version previous version patch and we will update the patch version. Okay, na everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Next interview point of view question, how they will ask you is, hey, in SIT, there are two teams are available, bro. There are two teams, team one, team two, bro. In SIT. Oh, team one changes will deployed, and about team two changes also will deployed. Okay, now team one told that, hey, is it possible to you deployed, but tomorrow production team one changes, tomorrow or next week or team one changes, we are moving into the production. For time being, QA team asked us, is it possible to restrict our application to team one changes? Like that, if someone asked you, is it possible to restrict our application to team one changes? Now what you will do? Ah, second question, interview point of view, how they will ask you. Ah, hello, come on. What now? Now just now you people told right?
Same here also.
Yeah,
Previously now
We'll
you told
restrict.
right? Sir,
yeah,
immediately can say, sir, okay, I
Mm.
will open my application stack. That application stack, my team one related, okay, patch versions I will update. Simple, that's it. It will not execute. Once the testing, this 4 hours of testing is completed, immediately we will update to patch version and then we will intimate to the team. Sir, now team two changes also available. You can proceed with your testing. Like that we will do. And next question, final question, and then we will wind up. Sir, next question, how they will ask you is, hey, okay, I moved the rules into other environment. Okay, so okay, 60, 61, 62, 63, 65 is available. Okay, now I asked you, could you please restrict up to 61 version, 60 version only? I don't want, see now automatically Pega will call from 65 version, right? I don't want to call, I want to restrict up to 60 version. How we will do like that? People will ask you. Come on. Now again answer. Answer also same only, right? Sir, I will
Same
update
answer.
my application stack to application stack to
60.
60.
60.
Now Ratna, now you are clear, right? What is the use of okay this one?
Yes, sir. I'm clear, sir.
Okay, okay, this type of questions people will ask you one day. Okay, sir, up to here basics and almost last morning and evening basic things completed. Okay, tomorrow onwards, okay, actual thing, game will start. Game means now we can say that database concepts.
Sir,
Okay,
one small thing.
yes.
Sir, what are types of rule sets, sir? They're asking for entry also.
Okay, types of rules are up. Okay, okay. I told right, bro. Application rule set, your division rule set, your organ. See how interviewer will ask and observe. See, you know the answer. When I'm going to tell you, Array, okay, these things we can call as a rule sets. Production rule sets, division rule sets, your data rule sets, integration rule sets. Agree, Ratna?
But they are expecting one more answer, sir. Like go to rule set, sir. Rule set
Uh,
version.
uh,
Go to category.
okay.
Go to category tab.
Uh,
This one, sir.
Array. See, this is not a type, bro. Even okay, rule set type also. Okay, I will tell you. A
Okay.
component also we will create a rule set, right?
Okay.
Okay, any component also will see that is also depends on the person, right? Now, in my point of view, how you are saying, man, this is the component like that. Okay, now if he is thinking like that, this is the one rule set type means okay, depends on the person. Okay, now I will create one component. That component I will create separate rule set. Agree? Okay, day one I
Yes.
told you.
Yes, sir.
Day,
Components.
see here we will create one component
Yes,
that
sir. Yes, yes.
sir, okay, now you are creating like that. Okay, this is not a shared one. Okay, it is the component specific. We will specify go here and then we will specify. Okay, this is the component rule set like that. Okay, depends on the see now see interview question how Ratna now is asked like sir no whatever I'm telling it is not correct, bro. Go to the category tab, he is telling some, here we have some different types are available. These things they are expecting. Okay, this one entire depends on the interviewer or not. Generally, what we will tell, okay, rule sets, production rule sets, application rule sets, division rule sets, and your implementation application rule sets. Yes or no? All are types only, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sir, next one. Tomorrow onwards, okay, I'm going to start database concepts. Tomorrow, almost next 20 classes. It will be like you will feel now actual thing will start. And see, next one, up to now, if you didn't practice also, no issues. Even if you didn't practice, you practiced only one level. Sir, due to my office work, due to my current work, okay, sir, I didn't practice perfectly. Tomorrow onwards you can start. Why? Because database concepts, these are database concepts everywhere. Even if you create a queue processor, if you create a job scheduler, if you go and create integrations, these database concepts are common throughout the business logic. Agree everyone? Okay,
Sir.
don't miss any class tomorrow onwards. Next 20 classes, even very interesting also. Okay, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will send you the even same thing. I will send you in the group also.